Somya and you're watching the Global Tales. As the temperature is rising day by day, the only thing that can help are some important ingredients when added to your diet that can give you a refreshing feel and make sure that you stay hydrated, because that's very important in order to beat this heat. So yes, we are going to share some important summer drink recipes that are going to help you get enough nutrition value and beat this unamountable heat that's there. So first and foremost recipe that we are going for would be Chach Rabdi. This is one of the most amazing, tastiest and a very healthy, long lasting with a high satiety value, and making sure that you get a lot of fiber out of it is a perfect drink to start for the day if you have it in your lunch or your breakfast. So in this you need very few ingredients, that is jaw ka dalia, that's barley dalia, chach, 2 glasses of chach. It doesn't take that much amount of time to prepare, it's very easy and gives you that refreshing feel. So 2 cups of chach and then 3 tablespoons of barley dalia. You have to stir it continuously and keep your flame on low so that the lumps are not made while you are making it. It's very simple. You just have to keep stirring it, and once you see that there are bubbles popping up, then this rabri is ready. You have to keep it in refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours, and then after that you can add a little bit of black salt, some jeera powder, and then serve it cool, because it gives you that important amount of fiber in this summer and makes sure that you feel really cool after having it. So you can definitely have it in your breakfast or your lunch, and it can act as a meal replacement for sure, because it has high amount of grain and enough amount of fiber that's required for your body. So yes, give it a try. Perfect for your summers, and it's very easy to consume as well. It's made very quickly. You need not to think about anything. Just a glass of this Chach Rabri can make your perfect summer day start. So definitely try it out. It's one of my personal favorite summer drink. You must give it a try. Before heading towards the next drink, here is something that Damaku has recently sent me. During the summertime, my skin also takes a toll, and definitely there are so many pores and unwanted skin problems that occur. So this pore minimizing range from Dermaco makes sure that you get reduced and dilated pores and stimulates the collagen synthesis with its fragrance-free formula. There is no fragrance in the product, but the niacinamides that's present there make sure that you have dilated pores and control the excess oil production that keeps your skin clear and smooth. Having said that, I highly recommend going for a patch test before using any product directly onto the skin. So I am using this face wash that has niacinamide, followed by this moisturizer that hydrates my skin, has 3% of niacinamide, PHA. As I said, make sure that I get rid of all the dead skins, and then followed by the serum, 2 to 3 drops, making sure that I have a clear, smoother skin. So yes, you can also definitely check out all the products from the link in my description and get 20% off by using my code GLOW2022 on the link given below. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. Also, every time you buy from them, Dhamako will link your order to the child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have pledged to educate about 10,000 plus students across the year. So definitely check the link in my description. Moving ahead with the next drink is my favorite and one of the most nutritious low calorie drink, that is cucumber lemonade. One of the most beautiful and refreshing drinks that you can have in this summer, and must have it. Cucumbers are very low in calories. Just one cucumber has about 49 calories, and blending it with lemon, mint gives it a perfect blend of refreshing antioxidant packed drink that's very important for us to have during the summer to boost immunity, to fight this sunstroke that happens during the summer season, and fight all the immunity related problems. So yes, you have to take about 2 to 3 cucumbers, chop them well. You need not to worry about the chopping that much because we are anyway going to blend it out. and then we are going to add some mint leaves on the top of it. Now, as fresh as your mint, as good the drink will taste. So make sure that you have a fresh mint leaves, and then add about 2 lemons to this drink. Now, in order to make it more tasty, you can add a little bit of sweetness. What I'm adding here is sugar light. It is one of the artificial sugar sweetener that I'm adding. You can add jaggery, you can add stevia, anything of your choice instead of processed sugar. So why I'm using this artificial sweetener here is because they don't have any calories that they add, but they itself give sweetness to this drink. So yes, you can add this about 1/4 tablespoon to make sure that you get that sweetness, and you add little bit of black salt onto this drink and give this a perfect blend. Now this drink turns out to be really refreshing and gives that perfect blend of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that you need out of a drink when it comes to summers, in order to boost all the heat that's there out in the temperature, the degree. And really, after having this drink, you will feel that you need to have it regularly, because this is something that's very quick and easy to make. You feel very hydrated after having it because of the hydration that cucumbers provide. And this is a powerhouse of antioxidants. As I said, it's very important for your skin, because skin suffers the most during summer, and also because of lack of hydration during the summer, you will feel really lethargic, less in energy. All of these things are easily fought with this kind of refreshing drink. So I serve it with ice. The way it turns out is really tasty, beautiful, and I can assure you that after having it for once, you will be craving for it regularly, and it's very easy to make as well. So this is a powerhouse of antioxidant that you must try, and you must share it with your friends as well. Don't add any kind of soda or any other artificial flavors that make this drink that's very refreshing and very healthy turns out to be very unhealthy if you add so yes, definitely try this out, and it can be a great replacement of your sodas, your cold drinks, and you will never ever crave for them, because this is going to give you that refreshing feeling for sure. Moving on to the next is this amazing Satu Drink. Now this is probably one of the most different kind of recipes, and one of the most healthiest, high in protein, and very beneficial for your summers, to give you ample amount of fiber, protein, and the required amount of energy throughout the day and throughout this summer session when you need energy and when you want to feel hydrated. So this, you need sattu atta. It's very easily available, that has very high protein. And then we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of jaggery. This drink is very easy to make as well. And then you add about tablespoon of black salt according to your taste and preference. Then we add about a glass of water. Stir it well together and make sure that all of the lumps of the sattu is already dissolved in water. Now you might wonder how it will taste, but it actually tastes really good, because we are adding little bit of lemon, jaggery, black salt to make it delicious and very healthy at the very same time. So yes, it turns out to be very healthy, and at the very same time, once for the first time probably you might not like its taste, but definitely when you have it regularly, you are going to enjoy it. And it is one of the most high protein summer drink that you can have. It is a meal replacer for sure. You get a lot of energy and you are just done for the day if you consume this in your day. So you have to just have this sattu drink and your lunch is done or your breakfast is done, and when you are short of time, this is the perfect blend of energy. This is a perfect blend of protein that's required by your body. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you will like it. All these 3 recipes are very much helpful, healthier, and can give you great results when it comes to maintaining your health during your summer. So tell me in comments if you enjoyed it, and do let me know if you want me to make such more videos on my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy.